Welcome back, everybody, to another episode. Today we just got out here. This place we haven't fished in probably, I don't know, close to 6 years. We haven't been out here, but they improved the landing here, and they actually put a dock out here. So we haven't been out here in a time. So we've heard that the bass have been biting pretty good out here, so we're gonna find out. Hopefully there's some good weed lines we can get on, and I'm hoping to catch a bass off of a frog today. It's a little windier out. I think there's kind of a front pushing in, so hopefully it doesn't rain on us too bad. But hopefully we can get on some good giants today, so stay tuned. All right, guys, boat's in. Time to hop on and go catch some big ones. It's a lot bigger out here than I remember it. Pretty good sized flowage here. Alright, start off frogging. Oh, got him. Good one too, looks like. Not a bad one at all. Holy crap, look at how dark he is. Yeah, better got it. The buzz bait just started throwing that thing. That instantly got thumped. There's one.
That one?
Yep.
Good one?
Oh, not bad. Here, buddy. Yeah, I literally didn't even think that didn't have anything on there. There we go. First one off of a square bill. Man, these fish are dark here. Not a bad one. Oh, I just missed him. Dude, he took that thing. Yep. Woo.
There you go.
Finally, man. I knew he grabbed it, man. He smoked it, and then all of a sudden when I went to set, he was gone.
Is that a flipping jig or?
Yeah, that's a flipping jig. There we go, finally, one off of the jig. Man, these fish are dark though. Dark, dark fish. Finally. He was there, but I hate those hook sets when they're right underneath the boat.
Yep.
Because you gotta try to get leverage on them. Got one? Oh yeah. There you go.
Kraken craw.
Yep. The old Guggen baits finally made it into the vidges. Right on the edge. Got one? Oh. Seems like they're all right about that size, you know.
Not a bad little fish.
No, they're kind of all around that size. I was saying. I just threw my jig through there. He didn't like it. I don't know, man. It's too big for him.
That's not much of a...
I think they catch like at least like 2 more. Oh. Yeah.
There's one.
Right. Ow. Switched it to the Senko and right away a tiny dink. Yeah. And this is why. Look at that. I mean, I love Gary Yamamoto Senkos, but damn. They tear quick.
Yep.
They're good quality, but damn. You guys, I don't know if the audio's jacked up from the rain, but I just decided to start doing some punching. It's pouring rain out, as you guys can see, which kind of sucks because I might have to put the cameras away, but I ended up catching this one here. I tossed him in the live well. Come on, guy. Tossed him in the live well because I wanted to show you guys that probably our best fish of the day. Not a bad guy right here, but I caught him just punching. But I'm gonna toss him back now. But damn, this rain's really coming down now. So, but sorry I didn't get it on film. It kind of sucked, but at least we can get the release on this guy. There he goes. Might do a little more punching, see what happens. Go another one punching. Take it. Alright, welcome back everybody. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I know that the audio towards the end was getting pretty choppy and it was pretty windy. I did order a new mic with one of those puffy things to get the wind out of there, but the rain unfortunately really messed up the audio there at the end. There's really nothing I can do about that, guys, but I really wanted to get good footage. So far the GoPro seems to be good after getting soaked, but I did want to get good footage for you guys and keep it up. But so I know if the audio was a little annoying at the end, I'm sorry, I apologize for that, but there's really nothing I can do with the rain. But I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Remember to like and subscribe, and until next time, keep fishing hard.